Faros Construction Services. There's only one chance to get your Denver construction project done right. With Faros Construction Services by your side, you'll have no doubt that your valued contracting work is in the right pair of hands and that your plans will be executed flawlessly. Available for design and build, general contracting, pre-construction, project management, and construction management services, we're ready to serve. Call us today at 720-234-5946. For more information, please visit our website, www.farosks.com. Or contact us through phone, 720-234-5946. You can visit our office, 600 Raleigh Street, Denver, Colorado, 80204. Faros Construction Services.